How to delete voicemail on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete voicemail on your Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as apps. Now here in this section, simply tap on manage apps. And after that, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the search bar at the top and type phone and search for it. And now here you'll see the option labeled as phone services. So simply tap on that. And now here, once you are in the phone app settings, you can see the option labeled as force stop at the bottom left corner of the screen. So just tap on it and then confirm by tapping on OK. And after that, simply tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on clear cache. And once you do that, it will remove all temporary data related to voicemail. And once that's done, you can exit out of the settings, and just like that you have cleared out all your voicemail data. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.